This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Towne, London. Like a new 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium on the first floor, this unit was rebuilt from the studs out due to smoke damage from a fire in another section of the condominium complex. There are new appliances which convey with the house. Take advantage of this unique opportunity to own in desirable colonial place in Norfolk. Near major bus lines, Aju, Norfolk Naval Base, and downtown, all this with quick access to historic GHENT. Next to the boat ramp and across from the dog park, this unit has it all. For more information, review the details below.